all had a lovely sleep last night. I did. I had a big sleep in. I didn't wake up until 8 o'clock. That's never happened before. I must have been
And it's
very
10
tired.
o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock. Oh yeah, it is 10 o'clock. It's time to do our video. So, I wonder if when you were sleeping last night, if you had any dreams.
I wonder if you did a unicorn or a fairy, something nice, or maybe one of you have dreamt a really bad dream or a good dream.
Maybe. Did you have a dream?
Yep.
What did you dream about?
I'm dreaming about what I ever had, and this is the story about my imagination.
Why don't you just tell me what you had a dream about? That's the question that I asked. What did you dream about?
I don't know.
Can't remember. Okay. Donald. Hi, Donald. Hi, Nanny. Nanny's watching.
Who's Donald?
You've met him a few times.
When?
At Russ's birthday party a long time ago.
What's Russ's birthday party?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll talk about it later. It was a while ago. It's all good. Hi, Grace and Izzy and Evelyn. They're watching too at home.
Hi.
We're going to do something a bit different today. We're going to read a book and we're going to learn some words in Italian.
Yum.
Yeah?
And we're
Alright.
going to do some dancing
Oh, we can do some dancing.
first.
Do you want to show everyone that funny thing that you showed Daddy this morning about the toilet? You going to do it?
Yeah.
Oh, you go over there and help Dad. Alright, you ready? For all the Bluey fans out there.
Yeah. Open the lid. Dip your finger in. Wiggle it around. Take it out. Close the lid. Thank you for cleaning my toilet.
Oh dear, that is a very funny one.
Mom, can
Okay.
I read this book?
Yeah, in a minute. Alright, we might start
Let's
this
see.
morning.
This morning, we're going to read a song.
We're going to read a song? We're going to sing a song. We might sing a song. We're going to sing, oh, it's a little rhyme. Hi Joey and Granny and Granddad, they're watching.
Hi,
We're going to
Granddad.
do a little rhyme about some bees. So let's warm your fingers up because your fingers are going to be the bees and it goes like this. Are you ready? Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch the bees come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz! Cat, you got it back in the hive. Did you put your bees back in the hive?
Yeah.
Are you ready? We'll do it again. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Watch the bees come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzz!
Cat.
Back in the hive. Very good. We thought this morning we might start with a book.
It's about a grub apple.
Can I hold it up, please?
I wanted to read it.
Okay, maybe you can read it after I read it. How's that? It's called Grug and the Big Red Apple by Ted Pryor.
Who's Ted Pryor?
You've met Ted Pryor
When?
when we went to meet him at Malthus and he signed the book for us. Grug and the Big Red Apple. One day, Grug saw a big red apple. He looked at it for a long time. Look at the size of that apple. It is huge. Plump! Oh dear, what happened to Grug?
He got smushed.
It fell on his head.
And he got smushed.
Grug wanted to take the apple home, but it was too heavy. So he rolled it. He's rolling it down the hill. It's a good idea. If it's too heavy, you could roll it. Oh dear, off he goes. Silly Grug, he's gonna get squashed. It rolled him onto a hollow log.
It's Cara's house.
Oh dear. Bump! Cara and the carpet snake woke up with a start. There she is. She got woken up by the big apple. Just a minute. She spiraled herself around the apple. I don't like this big red thing, she said. But she helped take it to Grug's cellar. Hi, Abby and Byron and Henry. Oh, there's the apple, and there's Cara. She's a bit worn out now because she rolled that apple all the way to Grug's house.
Excuse me, Mom.
Just a minute, please. Grug felt hungry. I wonder what he's going to do here.
He's going to eat the apple.
Very hungry. Look at him, he's licking his lips. Hi, Lila. He's licking his lips. He's going to eat that big apple.
I think so.
Oh, look. That's okay. He just had a little nibble. Oh! Can you see that? Grug has eaten the whole apple. There's nothing left except the apple core. And he's fast asleep. Funny Grug.
But where's his bed?
If you ate an apple that big, you might fall asleep too because your belly would be so full. Well, did you like that story? That's a funny story, isn't it, about Grug and his apple? And I thought today we might talk about some Italian words.
Wait, I want you to do it next.
Can you wait maybe until the end and we'll make a video of you doing it after, please, so we can get on with this one? Red in Italian, do you remember the word for red in Italian? Starts with a R sound. Rosso. Can you say rosso? That's red in Italian. Let's put this down here.
I don't know that
So
word.
Italy is a country in Europe. And this country looks like a big boot. Can you see that?
And what's this?
It says it's the Venice Carnival. Hi Nadia, hi Blake.
This is the Venice.
So this country here, I can't see, so I hope that you can see it. It looks like a big boot kicking a little ball. This little island down here is also part of Italy.
But Mom.
And it's a country in Europe, which is
Excuse me.
a bit far away from here. Yes, Lucy?
Where's Tasmania?
Tasmania. Tasmania is part of Australia. It's not part of Italy. Hi, Mon. Okay. So let's talk about some colours in Italian. So I've got some colours here on our. Can I have it, please?
But I wanted to hold it.
Okay, if you want to hold it, you can hold it. You just got to hold it up so that the camera can see it. So here we have some colours. Now let's go through them. Let's see if you can tell me these colours. What is, can I have it please? Thank you. This colour, white. What about this one? What's this colour?
Black.
Black. What about this colour?
Orange.
Orange. What about this colour?
Blue.
Blue. What about this color?
Green.
Green. What about this color? Purple.
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. Hi, Eli, Will, and Susie. So these are all our colours, and we said them in our language, English. Now I'm going to teach you what these colours are in Italian. Are you ready? You want to hold that for me? We have white. White in Italian is bianco. Can you say that? Bianco. Black. Nero. Nero. Orange. Arancine. Arancine.
Arancini.
Very good. What about blue? Blue's very easy.
Blue.
Blue. Blue is blue. Very good.
Blue.
We have green. Do you remember the green? Verde.
Verde.
Purple. Viola.
Viola.
Red.
Red.
Rosso.
Rosso.
And yellow is
Hala.
giallo.
Giallo.
Giallo. Very good. So maybe you can practice saying all your colours in Italian as well today.
And
Is there something you want to say?
yeah, it's nearly time for another music time.
Is it? Cool. In Italy, they love to eat
Pizza.
pizza. So yesterday, we made a pizza craft. And I'm going to teach you how you can make your own pizza craft too. So we used a paper plate. Hi, Alison and Daisy. And, well, we used two paper plates actually. One paper plate for the bottom and one paper plate for the top, which we cut up. And we made our pizza into a bit of a puzzle. So it's very hard because I'm sitting down. So can you stop please? Thank you. On the front, we have, on the first plate, we sliced it up with eight pieces of pizza. Can you see that? And we just used a ruler and then we wrote all the numbers all the way around. And on the second plate, we did the same thing. We sliced it all up, but instead of writing numbers on it, we drew little pieces of pepperoni on them. But you don't have to draw pepperoni, you could use whatever you like. And once you finish drawing all your pieces on, you cut them out and then you can use it like a game. So do you want to show us how you can do it? Okay, Lucy might demonstrate how to make our game. Can you take it over there?
Well, will the camera see me though?
Yeah, the camera will see you. So just do a couple of pieces.
I'm gonna do the heart.
Can't see it on the ground there.
Okay, yeah, very good. Can you move it back a
here,
bit,
Lucy.
darling?
Put it here. Put it here, Lucy.
Very good. So you find the number and then you count. Can you count the pieces? Lucy, can you show them how to count the pieces?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so the piece with 4 pieces of pepperoni goes on top of the number 4. And the piece with 5 pieces of pepperoni goes on top of the number 5. Are you sure that that's 5 pieces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. So where should that one go? Very good. So this is quite an easy little puzzle to make, and you might want to make one of those today as well if you have some paper plates. But if you don't have paper plates, then that's okay. You can just use paper instead. Thank you. So I thought maybe we might be able to do some counting in Italian as well. Do you want to sit up here? We can do some counting. So we can count to 10 in Italian. Are you ready? 1 is uno, 2 is due, 3 is tre, 4, what's 4? 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7 is sette, 8 is otto, 9 is nove, 10 is
11.
10 is 11. No, 10 is 10. So when you do your pizza and you put all the pieces on top, you might want to count your pieces in Italian. So I have 1. So 1 and 1, uno. And I don't have the number 2 just here, but I have 3. Where's the number 2? Here it is, 2. Uno, due. That's 2. So 2 goes on top there. And 3. Uno, due, tre. That's 3. And we can go all the way around until we get to number 8 on our pizza. Well, thank you very much for watching today, everybody. I hope you've learned a few little Italian words. Maybe you might want to share some of those words that you've learnt today with some of your family or your friends. We hope everybody has a wonderful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow. And if you have any books you might want us to read, thank you, that was hilarious. If you have any books that you might want us to read, then you can write it down, and if we have it here, we can read it, or anything that you might want to learn that we can help you learn with.
Granny and Granddad want Rapunzel.
Granny and Granddad want Rapunzel. Okay, well, I don't even think we've got any Rapunzel books, but we can have a look. We'll have a look, okay?
Remember when we went to that op shop and we got that?
Yep. Okay, great. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!